Let's make some spooky treat cups perfect for Halloween. Hello, I am Katie from the craftyblogStalker.com, and if you're new to my channel and love craft tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Here are the supplies I am using today. As you can see, there's this free printable. I also have an SVG version if you'd rather cut it out with your Cricut or Silhouette. This is a free file that you will get the printable PDF and the SVG. You can find the complete supply list with shoppable links in the description of this video, in the blog post, or through this QR code. This can be made with the printable and just cutting out the bat shapes with a pair of scissors. I have a Cricut cutting machine, so I prefer to do it that way. It's just a little bit simpler and my cuts will be perfect. On my Cricut mat, I could fit 7 of these bat shapes. To start, I can take off my bats. These paper cups are 9-ounce paper cups. You could use plastic if you have access to black plastic cups. Seriously, this is so easy. You could whip out a bunch of these in no time. I'll add some glue just to this little skinny part right here. Grab a cup, and I want to go on the back where this seam is on my cup. I'm gonna stick that into my glue. Hold it there for a second. If you want it to be more instant, you could use hot glue. Of course, if you're sticking your hand in it, you should be wearing food safe gloves as well. Okay, our little bat wings are stuck to our cup. That is so cute already. Then just to add a little bit more, I'm gonna add some googly eyes. These are not the adhesive googly eyes, so I have to add some glue to the back. And there is our cute treat cup. Isn't that so cute and so simple to do? Let's do another one. Add our glue. Find that back seam. Hold that in place for just a moment. And this time, let's put big old googly eyes on there just for fun. So cute. You really don't even need the googly eyes. You could just do the black bat wings, but I think the googly eyes just add a super cute extra touch. Let those dry completely. Then fill the cups with a delicious little treat. I love cheese balls, but you could also do popcorn, candy, anything. And you have these little treat cups, perfect for any Halloween party or spooky event. Aren't they so cute? Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to stop by my website, the Crafty Blog Stalker, to grab this design that includes the free PDF printable and the SVG cut file. You can also find me on YouTube and at Made It Myself TV at home on your smart TV. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.